Now let's just watch Beauty. She is going to untie that gate so her mother can get out. Yes, that is exactly what she is going to do. She did it earlier today, but I just didn't catch her. Now I see her doing it, so I know it was her. She is quite a little girl, isn't she? Look at her. She's breaking her mother out of jail. I think this is sort of funny. Of course, I think everything puppies do is funny. I never take it too serious or personal because you just can't. You have to laugh at them after all. They are just fun, fun, fun. Well, can you hear them growling at it? They're just going at it like crazy. Let me get off of here now and retie it because I don't want Mom out because I just don't want Mom out today, right now.